Hi, Gabby. Come here. You're crawling. I can't believe it. Come here, Gabby. Hi. You just had a bath. Your hair's all wet. Aha. You found the light. No, no, no. Uh-oh, you found the vent. No, no, no. All these things you shouldn't touch. No, no, let me move you. Oh, here, sit down. Good girl. Now you're going to throw a tantrum because I said don't touch that. Oh, enough.